Hi, my name is Camryn Johnson. I am a current second-year student at Carnegie Mellon University's Masters of Entertainment Industry Management program. I am originally from Atlanta, Georgia, and for my undergrad, I went to Hampton University in Hampton, Virginia, where I majored in English with a concentration in film and a minor in journalism. I chose the Masters of Entertainment Industry Management program because I wanted to couple the business with the creative. I felt like I had the creative part down packed, but I needed a little bit more of the business skills that I knew would take me far in my career. In the future, I envision myself being a writer and producer championing underrepresented and diverse voices. My summer internship was at Blumhouse in the film development department. In the fall, I interned at Black Male Productions, which is a film production company run by filmmaker Malcolm D. Lee. And then in the spring, currently, I am at Disney at 20th Television as a current series intern, meaning I am working on series that 20th currently has on the air, such as Abbott Elementary or Dr. Odyssey. The capstone project is a project that everybody has to do right before they graduate. It's a year-long project where you are working with a real client and we are helping them solve an issue that they have for their company. So for my capstone, I am on a team where we are working with Neon, which is an independent film company. And for the capstone, we are working on what they can do to add independent adult animation to their slate. Being able to be in Pittsburgh for 1 year and you're really getting the business down packed, and then coming to LA and actually working in the industry is a once in a lifetime experience. The Master of Entertainment Industry Management program is challenging, rewarding, and I love it.